Hi there, I'm Mr. Austin, and I'm gonna make this video for Three Little Birds. So, everyone, there's C, and there's F, and there's G. Okay, now you're gonna pat down. Now the up, you can just not think about that. You just happen to hit the up on the way up. So think pat. And eventually you can drag your thumb up on the way up or your fingers the way you do it. So pat, down, pat, down. All right, and I'm gonna start you off so that you can play along. So we're gonna do Three Little Birds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I rise up this morning, a smile with the rising sun. The three little birds reach by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody is pure and true, saying this is my message to you. I messed up a little bit, sorry though. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Here's the end. I'm singing, don't worry. Alright, now let's just go through the chords real quick. The beginning, it's 4 times pat down up C, and then another 4 times pat down up C, and then 4 times pat down up F, and then 4 times pat down up C. I'll do it. Ready? C. C again. And then I switch to F. And back to C. Repeat. I got a C. A C again. I switch to F. And back to C. And now we're going to do the verse. It goes C, G, C, F. Then C, G, F, C. So here I go. C. Roll it up to G. And back down to C. And on to F. And back down to C. Roll it up to G, then we back it up to F, back it up to F, and down to C, and now stop. Okay, hopefully this helps you.